The second question is synthesis by function generation inversion method of for link mechanism. So in this question we have to draw a forward link mechanism such that the input angle should be 35 degree and 80 degree, and the output angle will be 50 degree and 80 degree respectively. So for making this mechanism I have started, and at first I have taken a line. This line is A1 and D1. The distance may be any suitable length. I have taken here 70 mm. The point A1 and D1 is fixed point, and A1 D1 is also the fixed length. So after this I have taken a point C1 here. The C1 is also a suitable length from D1 to C1. So D1 to C1 I have taken 50 mm. The distance from D1 to C1 is 50 mm. After this we have to make an arc having center D1 and radius D1 C2 C1 in right hand side. This is the arc, and this line should be rotated 50 degree and 80 degree in the right hand side. So 50 degree, after rotating 50 degree we will get the point C2, and after rotating 80 degree we will get point C3, and after getting point C2 and C3 we need the point C2 dash and C3 dash. So for getting C2 dash and C3 dash we will meet the point or join the point A1 and C2, also A1 and C3, and we will rotate this line A1 C2 about A1 in anti-clockwise. How much? 35 degree to get the point C2 dash, and also we will rotate A1 and C3 in anti-clockwise 80 degree to get the point C3 dash. After getting point C2 dash and C3 dash we need the point B1. So for getting B1 we will meet these points C3 dash and C1 and C1 and C2 dash. So after this we will draw the mid normal of C1 and C3 dash, also C1 and C2 dash. This is the mid normal of this line, and this is the mid normal of this line. These two mid normal will cut here at the point B. This is the point B. So after getting point B1 we will join the point A1 to B1 to C1 to D1. So this is the first required mechanism. This is the first position. So for getting second and third position we need the point B2 and B3. So for getting point B2 and B3 we will make an arc having center A1 and radius A1 and B1 in the right hand side. This is the arc. So on this arc somewhere will be B2 and B3, because this link will be rotated right hand side in this direction. So B2 and B3 will be on this arc. So getting B2 and B3 we will take a distance this B1 and C1, and having center C2 we will cut an arc on this arc. So intersection of this both arc will give point B2. So after getting B2 point we will meet A1, B2, C2 and D1. This is the second position. Similarly we will get B3 by having center C3 and distance C1, B1. We will cut an arc at this arc. So the intersection will give B3, and that after joining this point A1, B3, C3 and D1, this will give third position. So after getting three positions we can see that if we rotate 35 degree A1 B1 in right hand side, the D1 C1 will rotate 50 degree, and if we rotate 80 degree in right hand side, the D1 C1 also will rotate in 80 degree in right hand side. So this is the required mechanism.